Erik Crawford here with UltraPure Systems. I thought I'd share with you today a really nice addition to the wall-mounted ultrasonic humidifier line behind me that the manufacturer has put into a new firmware that will read dew point, which is really nice. In years past, relative humidity has been the most common method to control just that, relative humidity in your space. However, what we also have found in the years that we've been doing this is that depending on where the ultrasonic humidifier resides, it can be at a higher temperature than other places throughout the space. And because it is the different temperature, well, relative humidity is relative to the temperature. Relative humidity is looking at the water vapor in the air at that given time, expressed as a percentage of the maximum water vapor at that given temperature. So depending on the temperature, it can really play with your relative humidity. And often you think that something's wrong with the relative humidity sensor. Well, there could be, but most times it's just the temperature. Well, dew point takes care of that. Dew point looks at the grains of moisture in the airstream, and it's a calculation. So you need to have your relative humidity, and you also need to know what your temperature is going to be, and then we'll do the homework for you with the calculator to get to your dew point. On side of each humidifier, we have a query code. The query code is going to populate a website, very similar to what a lot of restaurants are doing now with the contactless menu. It's the same concept. You're going to want to open that website and find the dew point. Push that button, and from there you're going to be able just to calculate what the dew point is. Remember your temperature and your relative humidity, and we'll do the rest. From there, you're going to want to take that relative humidity set point that you would like to have and temperature set point and convert it to dew point, and then we'll put it as a set point in the ultrasonic humidifier. But first, we need to tell the ultrasonic humidifier that we're going to control off a dew point, and I'll show you how to do that. It's very easy. From the factory, we set these with relative humidity. If you would like to read dew point, all you're going to have to do is see how this is reading RH. All you're going to have to do is push the program button. You're going to want to go up to 7.7. The first parameter is AO. You're going to want to push program one more time and go up to number 4. Push program one more time, and that's all there is to it. Well, you see, now we're not reading relative humidity, we're reading a Fahrenheit. Don't get confused that that is dry bulb Fahrenheit. That's actually dew point Fahrenheit. So we're at 57.4 dew point right now. So if we want this unit to, let's just say, without having a dew point calculator right in front of me, let's say we want to go up to 60 degrees dew point. We're going to want to push 60, and at that point our cloud turns on, it prepares to make mist, and the unit starts to run. That's truly all there is to it. It's a really nice addition to the ultrasonic humidifier line that doesn't come at a cost. It comes integral of each humidifier, and it's something you could choose if you find to have more precision on the humidity level in your space. So hopefully you found this helpful. If you have any questions, you're always happy to call us or call your manufacturer's rep in your local area. Have a great day.